First tell me, you want to improve your communication skills or you want to improve your English? Oh, got it. You want to improve your communication skills in English. Don't you think in order to get good command over communication skills, first you must master basic English and then you have to work upon your communication skills? Oh yeah, I want to know from you how you want to improve your communication skills and your English. Okay, there are some busy bees and there are some freebies. Whether you are a busy bee or you are a freebie, but I have something amazing and impeccable tips and tricks to share with you, and if you are going to follow these 5 tips and tricks which takes least possible effort, then you will be amazed after seeing the results. Okay, I know there are some people, they really don't like to improve their English just by reading out loud or just by grasping a lot of information from books. Okay, got it, accepted. Some people, they really don't want to listen a lot, they really don't want to grasp a lot, and they don't want to improve their English just by listening in English. Okay? Yeah, there are some people, they really don't want to speak and practice with someone, and they really want to become good at English, and they really want to improve their communication skills like this. They don't want to do any activity in English, but they want to improve their English. So, I know it's kind of absurd that seriously you don't want to do any activity related to English because it's kind of boring for you, but still you want to improve your English. Yeah, so for these type of strange people, okay, I have something amazing. These tips and techniques are going to help those people who don't have someone to practice with, the people who really want to practice by themselves. First, let me tell you, I am the person who has been following all the pillars, all the techniques and tactics to get my English, to take my English up to the mark, alright? Whether these are 4 pillars or 6 pillars, okay? Listening, speaking, reading, writing, thinking, studying, everything. I'm doing everything. But as you know, I am also a human being. I also get tired. And sometimes life also throws hard times, hardships. I also have to take breaks. I also have to find different ways that if these things are not working, then what else? Okay, and that's what today I'm going to share with you, because I took a long break, and after that, starting from scratch, everything was a hard nut to crack for me. Then I thought, is there something else which I can do, which I can try instead of my previous activities which I was doing? And it's not that entirely I'm going to leave my previous activities. I'll start gradually, but before that, I have found some instant solution to fix my communication and my English, alright? So let's start with the point number 1. What's that single activity I am doing after taking a long break? First amazing activity you are going to do at the end of the day, okay? Not the first thing in the morning. You have to choose any light podcast, any video, any clip, whatever you think it's quite soothing to your ears, okay? And whenever you go to sleep, simply put your earphones, alright? And you do not need to do any active listening here. Because if you're going to do active listening, then again, it's kind of pressure. Find someone, okay, where you think that, yeah, I just love the way this person speaks, where their way of speaking is kind of soothing to your ears, okay? Listen to them. Why I said that you will do passive listening here instead of active listening. If you're going to choose someone where their way of speaking is kind of soothing to your ears, intentionally, unintentionally, knowingly, unknowingly, that person will catch your attention. And even while doing that passive listening, all your attention will be there. What you're going to do, you're going to indulge, immerse in that person's way of speaking while sleeping, where you are not doing any other activity. So in this way, what have you done actually? You have instilled your favorite person's voice, your favorite person's way of speaking, okay, in your mind, when your mind was in a rest mode. And when your mind is in a rest mode, it grasps very well. The grasping power is at the peak. Now, what is this second activity you are going to do? Just after waking up, what you are going to do? This time, your mind is still in a rest mode. Your mind is quite refreshing. It's kind of empty slate. whatever you are going to throw on this empty slate, whatever you are going to write, that will become the starter of your day. All you're going to do is you are going to do chit chat with you in your mind. I'm not saying speak in the morning time because we don't feel like speaking in the morning time. We just want to be quiet, right? But our mind is quite refreshing. This time, the moment you wake up, just start speaking with you in English about your day. What are the things you have ahead which are quite important and aligning with your goals? Everything, just do chit chat in your mind. In the morning time, who can be the first person with whom you can talk? That is you only, right? It's kind of introspection. Every time you do not need to take someone else's thoughts and instill in your mind. Sometimes it's okay to just have conversation with you, all right? And understand the little difference between thinking in English and chit-chatting with you. When you do chit-chatting, it's kind of two people are there in your mind, right? Two people are there in your mind and you just ask something, you give answer, again you ask something, you give answer, and then you do little bit of a pause on thoughts. Thinking is kind of one way. Now you need third activity, okay, which you are going to do all day long, and I guess you have already gotten the idea what I'm going to talk about. Okay, I'm going to talk about thinking in English. One way in the morning time when you did chit chat with you, all right. Another way when you are going to think in English. You know what, you might be thinking, oh my god, a lot of times, like she has told us multiple times, think in English. But I want to know from you, have you started thinking in English? Have you started? So if you have not gotten good command over communication, or you have not gotten good command over spoken English, you must implement, inculcate, you must develop this habit. Okay, thinking in English, because this is the main part. I'll tell you, everything will come later on. Your listenings, your reading, your writing, everything. But your thinking is damn important. Do you know what is happening when you are speaking in English? Right now, I'm speaking in English. Let me give you this live example. Do you think I'm speaking with my conscious mind? Obviously not. I'm speaking with my subconscious, right? Same as you can see, a lot of people are driving. Do you think they're driving with their conscious that, no, they're driving with their subconscious, okay? So I am speaking with my subconscious. There's a process going on in my mind which is damn fast. As you may have noticed, some people who are at very beginner level, when they speak, they translate, and the process is damn slow. They're just taking things from their conscious to subconscious. But here the process is damn fast. And this process is called thinking in English. Okay, how fast you can think in English. And I guess you have not even started yet, right? Start thinking in English. Fourth activity, which you are going to do. Every day you have to take 5 questions. Google is there, ChatGPT is there. You can't make excuses anymore. And these shouldn't be close-ended questions. These questions needs to be open-ended questions. You're not going to ask, do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Not like this. You have to ask some open-ended questions. And you have to answer those open-ended questions by vocalizing. You will try to elaborate as much as you can on these 3 or 5 questions. Another thing you can do while answering these questions, you can record yourself. Later on, you can check that how you have improved, how much you have improved. And fifth thing, you are going to hack your social media. You are going to hack your AI. I'll tell you right now, you all are hacked by your AI. Okay, even I was hacked by my AI, by my social media a couple of years back. But now I believe this thing is in my control. I'm not in control of this AI. So what I'm trying to tell you actually, whenever you take your phone, you open something, what do you watch? What do you watch is a different thing. Okay, I'm not asking what do you watch, because some people, they watch something which is not teaching them anything. They're just putting garbage in their mind and they're not learning anything which is actually aligning with their life. It's okay, I can understand your entertainment, but now I'm talking about language. Whatever you watch, do you watch in English? Because listen, you can't say, I don't take my phone, I don't touch my phone, I don't watch anything. I will not believe if you say. I won't believe, because you all have phones. Phone is kind of your second life. And I can say right now, if you're not watching this video on YouTube, still you have your phone. So phone you have every time you scroll. You know what? Even if you're a damn busy person in life, but you have time to scroll, right? Okay, choose your entertainment, whatever you want to choose, but unsubscribe all the channels which are in your first language or in any other language, and subscribe all the channels which are in English. Just for some time. I'm not saying just to be a whole slave, okay, but I'm saying just for some time. I did it. Once you will become good at it, alright, then you can watch whatever you want. Find your genres. I'll talk about my genres. I have spirituality, neuroscience, psychology, motivation, some news, update what's going on, content, YouTube content, study related things. I have like these genres. I have subscribed all the channels related to this genre only. So my AI is already hacked by me. Whenever I open my YouTube channel, I watch whatever I want. Whereas in your case, you watch what your AI wants you to watch. That's the thing. Okay? And I'm even happy for this that I have hacked my AI. And that's what I want you to do. Hack your AI now. Alright? Unsubscribe all the channels which are quite irrelevant, which are not teaching you anything, just giving you entertainment. I can understand entertainment. But how much? You can't entertain yourself every time. Your life will be entertained. Okay? So just reduce a bit. Have a reality check. Just check what do you watch actually. Okay? Try to subscribe all the good channels. The more you will do it, your AI, your social media will show everything related to that only, whatever you have subscribed. Subscribe 5 to 10 to 20 channels. There are gems on YouTube. Okay, and we are stuck with some garbage. So try to find those gems and try to listen to them. And yeah, I'm not saying that try just stuck in knowing, doing, grasp everything. Implement as well. But that's altogether a different thing. I'll make another video on that. Have you hacked your AI? You're not understanding. You are just spending hours and hours and hours. Your mind is a tank. Your mouth is a tap. Whatever you will fill here, instill here, will come out through your tap. The things which seems easy to do are not easy to do at all actually. Okay? Whatever I've shared with you, it may seem that quite easy job. It's a kind of cakewalk, a piece of cake. Learn to be a great communicator. Okay? This one skill can change you, can change your personality, can change the way you think, can change your career, can open up a lot of opportunities for you. So learn how to communicate well. Yes, a lot of people can speak in English well, but can you communicate in English well? That is altogether a different game. Okay? So learn how to communicate well in English in future. You are going to see what you are going to get. Okay, if you are a great communicator, if you learn how to connect with people's heart. Lastly, I'm going to remind my favorite quote here. Don't take major time for minor things. The thing which you can do now, in a year, in 6 months, why to take 1155 years for that? There are people who are taking this much time. So don't take major time for minor things. Arise some urgency in you. Okay, no one else will take your responsibility. You have to take your responsibility. Okay, so if you like this video, definitely you are going to like this and this video where I have mentioned how to develop your reading habit and how to develop your listening habits. And you will get some book suggestions and some video and audio suggestions too. Alright, so with this thing, let's meet in the next video. Bye-bye.